Certo. Okay, good morning, traders. I just wanted to see if I could get a few trades in this morning. Listening to Deck at the same time, he's not having a good morning. He's lost 2 for 2. I won 2 for 2. Not big ones, but I should have stayed in before on Tesla. I did a Tesla put. No, I did a Tesla call, but I got out too soon. Um, I made about 50 bucks on it. So I'm waiting to see if it's going to come back down, looking at a P180 on Tesla and a 186.67 coal. They're inexpensive. They're still up there. I think Tesla's going to pull back. I'm almost ready to do a put on it. Usually when the rest of the market's going up, Tesla comes down. I'm watching Apple's been coming down all morning. So actually, that was a good put from the beginning. And I wasn't watching it. All right, so Apple still falling. AMD still falling. Okay, some of the other stocks that I watch. Let's see what I got here. This down here. Got that. Meta's just holding its own, staying in its channel. All right, so right now I'm looking at Tesla as the pullback. It's not paying a lot. I just want to go up to the contract for a second. That's SPX. Let me go back to Tesla. I'm going to do it on the top. So there's a better contract, I'll tell you. I'm starting to stay a little bit further out of the money. I'm going to do a 180. That's what I got. 180 is only 25 on the delta. 182.50 might be a better contract. 182.50. It's only $2 a share. That's for Tesla on the put. 182.50. Did I miss it? Did I miss it? Not yet. And as far as the call, let's see. I'm going to do the 29. It's 190. 186.67. It's gone up. It's now 43. I don't want to be that high. Let's go 187.50. 187.50 on the call. 750. Gonna bring that down a little bit. It's only $2 and change. Okay, that should be good. Problem with Tesla doesn't it moves and you can make money. Not like SPX. All right, let me get out of there and put that back to SPX charts. Okay, got it. Oof, and I missed the SPX contract, and I missed them all doing this. Shit. I was going to go into that Tesla put, and I didn't. And it's just gone about, let's see, 180 to 230 on the contract. Still dropping. Dang, I missed it. I cannot believe I missed it. It was the one I was waiting for. Okay. Okay, what do we got? 30, 20. I don't want to chase it at this point. I'm going to wait. There it goes. There it goes. I was right. Put my phone on. 10 o'clock. Hmm. All right. Phone's in. Stay there. Oh, what do we got? Dang, it was a good one, too. Can't do anything now. Gotta wait on Tesla. Probably gonna drop more. There it goes. There it goes. Mm. Don't want to chase it. It was the right call to do the put. 210, 190, now it's at 240. Still dropping. Let's see what we got here. Watching Tesla, watching the spine. 34.10, 54.70. Take a quick look there. 54.70, that's the right one. It's what I want SPX for the put. 54 and 54.95. What do I got? 95, that's what I got. So I'm right on, that's 520. That's 54.65 is a little low. It's only about 28, I think, on the Delta. I want to keep my Delta a little higher. What are we going to do? I'm waiting again. Anybody getting any trades yet? Anybody doing any options this morning? Two small ones. That's it. Two yesterday, 2 for 2. Sorry, I lost you guys. Let me open the other one up. Seems I lose you. Okay. Took the volume off of that. Should be anybody in no YouTube. Nobody there really. Okay, 16. Let's see. Let's see what can I do here. Put that back over there. Let's see, desktop. Where the heck did it go? Be modified. There it is. 2 for 2. Not much. $66. Better than being. It's better than being red, right? Okay. And I was right on Tesla, and it's still moving. Look at that. Ah, still moving down. All right, we just have to wait. Gotta wait. I don't trade in between the channels. I wait till either at the top and come down or the bottom to go up. All right, let's see what else I'm watching. AMD. I'm watching Meta. There's Meta. Meta's almost at the top. Let's take a quick look. Here we go. So just straighten those out. You can see Meta with 3/4. It's still going up. Same thing here with AMD. And Apple came down quite a bit. That was a great put from here down. You could have really made some from $218 to $3. You could have made on 5 contracts about $1,500 right there. So that's a sad because now maybe we'll see Apple go the other way and go back up. Let's see what it's doing. I haven't read any of the news or any of the chatter out there. Chatter, there it is. Update market chatter. Okay. Let's take another look back to, remember here we watch 6 stocks and then anything you want to watch. So there's MEDS. I can put anything on the big screen. If you're watching another stock individual, put it up on the board and we will go put it on the big screen and take a look at it. All right. This is for you guys, not for me. All right. Oops. I lost the other one. The other one keeps dropping off on me. I don't know why. Let me respin this. Come on. Come on. I have you on one, but it's amping. There we go. I don't know what's going on with my internet. There we go. You can all see me now. It should be good. Okay, let's see. Don't like the time on it. Don't like the timing on it. It's very slow today. One more shot. Okay, let's try this one more time. Way too much. You guys hear me okay? Can somebody tell me if you're hearing me okay? Oh, shoot. What did I just do? Get rid of one of those here. Try this. Come on. It's not me. Let's see, one try. Okay, so it sounds good, but I have too much of a delay. That's the problem. What I mean by that is like right now, I'm looking at the clock and it's 53 for 55 seconds. I put my hand up, 10:07:55, and it's not coming up till, let's say, 55. That's 10 seconds right now. This is no good. I'm gonna stop the other one. See if that'll make a difference. Let's stop one. Okay, and let's try a re-stretch one more time, refresh. It's just too much going on. I don't know what's going on here. All right, let me see one more time. 7, 8, 9, 30. 30. There we go. I closed one up. I got 5 seconds now. That's good. But when I put up this, that's the problem. If I lose you, I need you to hook me up. I need you to write on their chart, okay? Golden Paquito. Put the word chart up there. Let me go so I can go back and look at the actual. Okay, here we go. See what we're going to do here. 239. NVIDIA. I'm not really trading NVIDIA. I'm watching the SPY, but it's sideways right now. You got consolidation in here. Here we're at the top, but we don't know what it's doing. And I didn't have, I'm not set up. I mean, I am. All I have to do is change over. Let's see. The contracts. But I don't want to do NVIDIA right now. Chart. Yeah. Oh, shit. I lost you already? No, I didn't. What are you doing? Did I lose you? I still see you. I said put the word chart up if only if I lose, if the chart if it's gone. I still see you guys. Right? You still see the chart, right? Yes, no? I know you do. You got to. I still say. I see the same thing you do. But every time I have to go over to trade, I can't see it. That's why I want you to. Thank you. All right. Let's see what we got. Paquito, you do any trades today? Did you do any trades? No, what'd you do? Make any money today? If you're not in a trade, remember here is the contracts. Okay? Not yet. Okay. Yesterday, I don't think I did any trades till late afternoon, like deck, same thing. And I won 2 for 2 yesterday. 2 small ones, 250. I was gonna get it again, and I didn't. I would have, could have, should have. I would have made a lot more money, but wow, what the heck? I didn't. I didn't do it. But it's okay. It's okay. You know what? I didn't lose. All right, let's see if there's anything else. Every now and then, let's see if I run my. I don't know if I want to look at any regular stocks. Right now, we're coming down. See, there was that put. I would have been. Jeez, it was a good call. That's twice I missed it because I'm doing something else. That's why I usually don't come in till about 10:30 here now because I like to trade a little on the first beginning part of the morning, and I don't have to watch everything. Let me see if they ever get me back. I'm waiting for something. Let's see if it goes back up on. I'm going to wait a little bit. I'm not going to rush. Sometimes just being patient, just sitting back and waiting instead of trying to make something happen, waiting for something and then making the best of it. Yeah. So it looks like right here we're going up a little. So we've got a new support here. Support is about I'm gonna say 183.75. 183.75. That's gonna bring 184, 185 on the top. Gonna bring this down a little bit, not much. 44 cents. Bingo, right around there. Okay. Now you know where we sit. Hmm. Let me just try something real quick. I hope I don't lose you guys. If I lose you, tell me. We'll see you. Come on. Oh, wait. Oh, come on, come on. Give me that code. Okay, got it. Should be right. Not checked. All right. Back in. What do we got? See, I'm in the middle. Don't want to. We're in the middle of a channel here, so I don't really want to guess. Look at Nvidia still going up, and let's say it goes up to the upper VWAP plot, which would be around 134. We're looking for. We're looking for about 134 right now. We're at about 133.75 as our resistance, and we're going to bring up the support now to 132.75 and keep a dollar in there. Let's see. There you go. And that's what brings us there. We're right at the top. So if we get a little bit more, I think we'll get a pullback on Nvidia, unless there's news. And here we go. Nvidia to rally around 53% here. Top analyst forecast for Tuesday. Tesla lags behind Mag 7. Will master plan for Spark a comeback? Tesla. Let me read that because Tesla's what I'm watching. Master plan for a comeback. That's a good rumor, and that's by the rumor sell the news. So that's a rumor. And for Spark a comeback, it's a question mark. So will they? They have a year-to-date performance of minus 24%, and a one-year performance of minus 28%. So they're not looking good. Will master plan Spark Nvidia cash 700 million of shares. Jensen hung. Price continues to swell. Okay. So far, it looks good for Nvidia. We'll see what it does. There's your pullback. See, so the resistance was right, and there was the pullback. For those that might be trading, you know, Nvidia, I am not at the moment. I have it in here. All I have to do is change one little drop down. You know, like in here, I can drop this down, and I can go to. Let's see, what color is that? Number 6. So right here. So I think if I go to, let's see, if I want to do a put. I go to number 9, and that'll bring me Nvidia put. There we go. Say I'm all set. I can buy it right now and do a put on Nvidia. Can't see it, so I wouldn't do it. I can't do it from here. But I'm just showing you on my other one. That's what I do. So let's go back to the Nvidia. Let's put it back in here. So all I have to do is I'm all set up and ready to do an Nvidia contract if that's what I want. I've got Nvidia. I've got SPX. I've got the SPY. I've got Tesla. They're all set up in drop down color codes. So I have at least 1, 2, 3, 4 stocks in the red I use for other things. So like the red, If you look at my watch list, it's in red. And then if I have my big chart and I have my watch list, I can change those just by doing this. All right. And we could see, I think it was MEDS is going forward. See, MEDS right now is moving up. So it went up, it came down, little pullback. I think it'll probably go forward again. So I don't know what the news was on it. I didn't look at meds this morning, but you can see. Let's get rid of some of these. MLGO, done. ACSTS, done. I can't short any of those. Go, I'm watching. All right, that's it. All right, let's go back to MEDS. Because that's the one that's so everything's happening, and go back to our charts here. All right, so we're not only watching 6 stocks, but we have the big chart to bounce off any stocks. So whether it's stock trading or, and I will be honest, I thought about it. I haven't traded a regular stock in over 2 years. I've just done options. And, you know, when you want to master something, you want to become good at something, stick with one thing and you will become great at it. You know, if you keep going back and forth or go from one room to the other, what happens is you're only going to be mediocre. And that's up to you what you want to be. You know, you can be great or you can be mediocre. I'm not going to mention any names, but, you know, I'm always getting upset with this one person who's just always, you know, going from room to room. Because if you stick it out for a day, stick with one person, see what they're doing, really learn their you know, I have a feeling. Let's just see something. 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know why it's doing that. I'm going to refresh real quick. Okay, that should bring us up to par. I don't know why it keeps doing that, you know. I know a lot of the other people like Jay and AK, they don't check. I don't know if AK's got, he may even have the program from Deck. He's probably the only one for free. Deck, you know, Dex, if you listen to Deck, he's spot on, the time-wise. But with us, he doesn't give us that program. So I don't know why he wants to build this up, but he won't give us good software. That sucks. All right, everything's pulling back down again, as you can see. There's my Tesla back down on a put. I missed it. Okay. Jeez. Missed the put. Missed the put. Let's see what we've got right down here. Here we go. 183.50. We've got a double bottom there. Double, triple. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And then it goes back up. What do I got here? Tesla, 7, 8. This one's the call. 187.50. It's not doing much. Still not yet anyway, because it's down. Question is it going to drop any further? I got a 182.50 on the actual call. Let me just see on the put. I mean, let me go see something on Tesla real quick and see if the contracts have changed. Tesla, it's on a 21st contract. Trying to be about 2 out. It's about 30, 180, 182.50. That contract don't even exist anymore. Oh, no, yes, it does. Yes, it does. It's 42. I'm going to do 42. I'm going to leave it. And number 2 out of here, I hate odd numbers. 185, 190, 190. I got a 187.50 and 187.50. Let's go to, I don't like that numbers. 186.67. 180. Boy, oh boy, how did they come up with this? 186.67 contract for the call on Tesla. 186.67. And it's, yeah, better contract than the other one. 86.67. Come on, move. 167. 186.67 for Tesla on the call. Okay. And it's still going down? I don't think so. I think we got to wait a little bit. I think we're going to see Tesla come back up, but let's see. Right now, maybe not. If you look here, you go to the top right there and you bring this down to here. See what's happening? Cancel left. Here's a low here. This could be the bottom. There you go. There's your trend. Now, this is where we are now, maybe even a little higher. Let's see, right there, about 183.60. 183.60. Don't forget to put the hand back. Otherwise, when you go on here, you'll mess things up. Take the pre-market out without taking it out. What that means is I don't want to see it, but it's there. Changes numbers like even the VWAP changes. If you totally take it off, turn it off, then the VWAP will go up a little higher. Right now, we're below the VWAP anyway. So you can see we're still a little bearish on Tesla. We're bullish on NVIDIA. We're bearish on the SPY. Okay, what do we got going here? That's lower. So we're building lower highs and we're building lower lows. So there's a good chance we could be dropping even further. That's what it looks like. It may go up before it comes down, but it's going to come down. Maybe we'll touch this line and stop. That would bring it. Let's see, what is my high on Tesla? Let's just see something real quick. Tesla. High of the day is today's range 187.20. I bet I'm close right there. 187.20. 187.20 right there. There's your high of the day, so it's perfect. And we just touched there, like I said. Okay. SPY's still dropping. SPY's been so high. I expect we're going to see big drops, but they can get very costly and very expensive. I'm going to change the contract. There. Okay. All right. All right, let's see what we got here. All right. I got a friend who's in the area who I don't see too often. He just texted me. I said I'm trading and I'm live. We'll see what he says. If he wants to come by, he can come by. I have to listen. You got to tell me. You got to tell me. You got to tell me. There we go. Let's see if that'll work. Come on. Okay, sorry. You got to tell me when I lose the chart. You don't tell me I can't see it unless I have the other one on. And if I have the other one on, then it changes my, what do you call it? All right, what do we got going here? It's going up. SPX. SPX going up a little. So let's see. It might take off if he comes by. Tesla went up a little bit there. Let's activate that and let's bring it. I know you're there now. Third touch, yeah, I saw that. Right there. Let's see. I said three touch before. 1, 2, 3, right there. Let's see what happens the other way. But I still think Okay. All right, what do we got? What do we got? There it goes, starting to move. Tesla, band on the run. Tesla, where is it? The contract's not moving that much. That's what I don't like about Tesla. It's got to move, 219, 221 right now. I still don't trust it. I still see from what I see, it looks like I said, it's creating lower lows, and the three touch shows a support level, but I don't want to be sure it's not going to break through that third level next time, BK. And totally agree, because I said the same thing before you came in the room, or that I knew you were there. I said it touched three times, and I showed the room exactly where. That's why I have the line across. But we want to see if that's going to hold, then there's a good chance that it could spike up again. That's what we want to see. So we don't like to gamble here. We're trying not to do that. Not that we don't gamble sometimes, we are, but when we do gamble, we're trying to use technical and fundamental information out there that's going to give us the best decision on the direction and timing. Let's see what we got here. You're short for now. Yeah, well, then you agree with me. I said that I think that I don't know what contract you're using. You're using Friday's contract. Like I'm showing on mine a 180.250. Which contract are you in? If you don't mind telling us how many contracts you have and what contract you're in. The number 180.250, 183, whatever it is, 185. What contract? And 30. I gotta take my vitamins real quick. That's for one. Give me 1 second. 1, 2. Give me 1 second. 185. Good. You're closer to the money. Okay, that's a lot of vitamins. 11 vitamins. All right, let me see. The one, I think that's further out of the money. Tesla. No, I was right. You're in the money. Okay, you're just in the money. Excellent. But it's going the other way right now. But I wouldn't worry about it. It's trying to fake you out. That's what it's. You know what they're doing right now. For me, that's what I call shaking the trees. So it went up, it came down. It hit a bottom first, I think, and then it went up. 183.57. So you're good. You're good. I just remember it's creating lower highs and it's creating lower lows. So eventually you're in a short. Okay, you're good. You're good. I was going to say eventually I think it's going to come down. And that's a test. You see that right there? That where it hit that bottom of 183.16. Somebody knows if I went into here, I put Tesla. Come on. There we go. Tesla. Come on, there we go. And I look at this thing right here that went down. It shows me that they just did 258,000 shares up here. You see, watch the shares. 250, 200, 258, 200. It was 258 on this one, the one I'm talking about. And if you look at the other ones, that's 230, 230. They know, there it is, 29,000, 160, 175. They did extra shares, so they know exactly what it's going to take to drop it to the next point. That's when you want to be ready to get out when they do that again, if you can catch it. It's hard because they're manipulating it right now. We both know that they're manipulating because there's no news. So whatever's going on right now is a manipulation of this stock. All right, so that's why I'm staying out for a few minutes. I just don't want to gamble. 2 for 2 this morning, but not big. I did 5 contracts. I put them up there a little higher up there. I did put them on the board. I always show I'm transparent. I got it at 530 out of 540 on SPX, and the other one I got out only 3-4 pennies on And I shouldn't have waited because I made the right move and it went up to like two something. I had the right contract and the right, and it took off after I got out. But I only made $16 on Tesla, which is nothing. You know, thank God they don't charge us for the contracts. All right, so right now it's going up. Let's see where it goes. If it stays with the trend line or if it breaks through the trend. Okay, usually lately when the SPY's been going up, Tesla's been coming down. My friend says he's coming over in about 20 minutes. Let's see what goes on. Remember, if I lose you, just let me know, all right? I want to take some of this single words out of there so it brings us closer. Okay, there we go. I don't want to lose my thing. Oh, there goes the SPX. I should have been in it. SPX is starting to move. I'm in the middle. Don't do it. Don't do it. Let's see what we got here. Soon. Let's see if we can hold this from there to the high of the day. Right there. Cancel left. Okay. Let's see what we got. The other would be a straight line, so I'm not going to use it. Just use the bottom here. All right. What do we got? See, we're holding there. There's your pullback. Let's see, 430. If I did, I would be using a 5470 SPX put. And I've got NVIDIA, I'm not in. I don't, like I said, it's for me, it's just a matter of changing a color code up here. I can drop this down to, actually, this should be unlinked right now. It's just a matter of changing this color code to something. I hope I didn't mess up my what do you call it? Number 9. Uh-oh. I don't think so. I hope not. If I went back to NVIDIA, oosh, I hope I didn't mess it up. Let me just check real quick. That's number 6. Here's number 9 is, I messed it up. That sucks. Okay. So I can rewrite it. So that's dot NVDA. That would be 240621. And that would be the, on the top would be the put. And the price would have been NVIDIA, let's say 130. I don't remember what it was. Well, here it is price wise. Let's do that. Oh shoot, I lost it again. Sucked. Got NVIDIA 240621 put. And there it is. I'll use a 137. Go in. Come on. Auto. Okay, well, what else? There we go. I got it. I fixed it. You can write your own contracts, so it's not a good contract, that's for sure. 137. Let's see if there's one better before I take it out of there. 130. Let's go here. 135. 135 is $2. No, come on. Definitely better contract. When I say it's better contract, I can look at the candlesticks and see them more filled in. Then I know. Okay. Let's unlink this now and then put in oh shit. What number 6 I said? 6 maroon, 7. 7 is 6. Okay. This one's fixed now. See, I shouldn't have unlinked it before. I should have gone to red, then taken it out. That would have kept it. It changed the number. But that's okay. Doesn't scare me. I don't freak out. And I lost you and nobody told me. Thank you. You got to tell me when you lose you. I don't know. I can't see it. If I'm in this one, I can't see you guys. Otherwise, I have to leave this on. I guess I have to leave it since nobody's helping me. All right. Let's see. Let's go back in here. Go back in there. All right. So I got you in 2 places. It just slows it down. Short for now. Well, you'll be all right. You should be all right. Let's see. I don't know what price you got it in either. So I'm going to take away this line here, and I'm just going to use this. You can see we came down and made a new low here at about 183.25, somewhere around there. So that's where I would have gotten out right there. See, because I'm a scalper. So when you were short and that thing hit a bottom right there again, I would have gotten out of there. But again, we're still holding the trend and we're still creating lower lows. And I'm afraid of the breakthroughs. So it could go up. And that's why when I told you when it hit that next low, I would have gotten out. But I'm a scalper. I'm more of getting in and getting out and taking profits when I have them. So I don't know who you are or what your style is, and doesn't mean that you're wrong. But you're gonna have a lot of patience now. A lot of patience. Okay. What else do we got here? Watching Tesla on the top. All right, let me see. I'm just gonna move my line a little bit. I'm doing it from another computer. You'll see it moved a little bit. I'm not in anything right now. I'm just watching. I'm just watching and waiting. Nothing going on my top. Here's my top. So when I say my top, there's Meta, AMD, and Apple. Right now, Apple's at the top here of its resistance. The question is, will it break through or create another like a head and shoulders? I don't know yet. Right here, we're in the middle. Apple is in its middle. I don't do anything until it's either towards resistance or down here. Let's see where it's going. That was some drop this morning. Like I said this morning, it was a great put. I just you know what? It's not the one I picked to watch, and unfortunately, if you just watch one or two stocks to trade, you lose the others unless somebody says, "Oh, look at Apple, it's dropping like a bomb." So you start rushing over, and then you start chasing, and the next thing you know, you're not a millionaire. There's Tesla. Let me take a quick look at Med. If anybody knows any other stocks that are moving, let me know. There's Med. So there's your pullback on Med. That was a nice pullback to 986. Very hard to get over 10. 10 is the second hardest place for a new stock to get over and stay there. And $5 is the second hard. Let's see. $10 is the third hardest. $5 is the second hardest. Dollar is the hardest for any penny stock to get over for the first time. But there's this. You can make money here. You can definitely make money with this, but not for me today. So let's see if his short on Tesla. Let me get out of this and go back to the other ones. There you go. Let's see your short on Tesla should be paying off really soon. Maybe after about 11:15, I think you'll see that thing pull back a little. Let's see if I'm right. Right before lunchtime. And anybody have any questions? Anybody have any questions at all? Now's a good time to ask them. And if I don't know the answer, I guarantee somebody in this room knows more than I do, and they're just not saying it, and they might even jump in to help. So any questions, any thoughts, any comments, concerns? That's it. I'm only up $66. 2 trades, 2 yesterday I won. Last week was kind of a wash. I was up all week and lost on Friday. I shouldn't even have been in. I came from the doctors. Wherever I was out that morning with my wife. Did I go to doctors? I went to doctors. 2 doctors. And I came back and wanted to make something happen. And whenever you do that, you know what happens. And I gave it all back for the week. In less than a whole week's work, gave back in a half hour. So, what was not good. I finally just turned off the computer and said I had it. Couldn't take it. All right, what do we got here? Let's see something real quick. Check my eBay. We do have an eBay business. They say that to be successful, you should have 7 streams of business. I have about 3. I may have maybe 4. Let's see, what is this? Seller offer. Yeah, $570 for a microphone. I don't think so. You ain't giving nothing. You offer. eBay's outdated. I can't even do it from here. All right. See. Sell offer. Come on. Come on. Okay. I'll have to do it from my computer because I can't do it from here. Let me see something if I can get in from here. eBay. Log in. Here comes the sell off. Yep, there you go. Well, we said it was going to happen, and there it is. There it is. I'll get back to that later. And wait. There it is. So now you're going to make your money. I would take it. Well, let's see how much lower it's going to go. Like I said, I'm not going to chase it. 280. So it just went on the contract, my contract, not 20 cents on the contract. It's still dropping. I am not going to chase this, but we said that it had lower lows and lower highs, and we're probably going to get down to about 182.60, 182.50. There it is, 182.50. There was a touch, 182.50. That was a call. That was an absolute call on my hand. I'm going to take credit for it. I told you right there. It went down for a split second, right there. Call that move. You can see on Tesla. Let's see, lower the day now. I said 180 days range. This isn't right. This is not right. Tesla. It says 183.23. We're already at 182 now. So Yahoo Finance is not correct. There you go. Not correct. All right, one more. It's showing the wrong price. There it is. 182 finally came in. 182.60, but it's still showing days range of 183. It's totally wrong. I love the errors. But I did hit. I called it, and as I called it, it hit it. So I'll take credit for that. Anyway, let's see. I should have been in it. I knew it was going to happen. But that's what happens when I don't trade. Let's put this at support at 145. 182.45 is 183.70. 183. Always try to keep that $1.25 in there. All right, that'll be $1.25 right there. There you go. And you just made your money. Good for you, BK Key. Hope you got out. Unless you're going to wait for a little bit lower, how low do you think it's going to go? How low will it go? BK. What do they call you? BK? BK. Be cool. BK. So his name BK. Brian. Let's see. Keel. BK. Let's see. What would he use that for? 98. 20, 24, 26 years old. Okay. Just sitting there. Look at that. Just sitting there. I mean, if you want to take a now period, we can take it from even here. So if you want to take it more from a now period, because that would be the lowest step there to here. See? Cancel the left on, cancel the left. Right there. There's your down from here to here. Out. Good. Raped all of it. Scalped all of it. Uh-oh. What happened here? Oh. Thing fell out. Oh. My foot. know what it was, but it didn't affect much. All right. Good for you, and good thing you got out, because there it goes. Everybody's getting out. These the first ones are all the shorts getting out. I think it's going to 180. It's good. It very possible. So I don't. The contracts weren't moving that fast. That's what I don't like about them. But it went from on the low there. It went from about 260 on the contract to it went to almost 3. So it was good. It was 40 cents. Did you get back in? Let's see. Pick on the top. Yeah. Doing AMD and Meta. Bring Meta down to there. Huh. Well, what we think and what it does are two different things, but there's always a possibility. Today, let's see if we got Finviz in here. Boom and boom. Real quick, and then let me just make sure you guys are here. Hold on, I got you. Okay, so what we've got here, real quick, is Finviz Dow's 283. So we're pretty much down today. It's pretty red. Nvidia, the energy department, doing good. Oracle, Adobe, Nvidia, QCOM. So there's a few in here. I'm sure it shows down. I don't need to do that. I can tell just without even doing it. Let's see. So there's your best stock. Get the heck out of there. I hate that. Rely. So if you look at the watch list, Rely, and you got NLSP, penny stock, CMTL. I already got it. ASNS. I think I took it out. And MBIO and meds. Okay, it's good enough. This is gone. Don't need it. But just for you, just to make you happy, TLS 15-minute is, and it should show down, and that's what it shows. I didn't need it to know that. I just look at the chart. But you see how it came all the ways up and all the ways, and it's coming down, down, down. And we're probably going to end up right about, let's see, 182. 182. Let's see, next step is 180.50. So let's see what happens. It's just a matter of time. It could be right. It could be right. Come on. There we go. Get out of here. This back. There you go. So we know it's coming down. In fact, you should have got right back in right there. That's why I asked if you were going to get back in. 310. Yeah, you see? That would have been right there, another $100 right there on the. Let's see, this thing is slow. I'm seeing where it put me. That one's slow. Huh. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's too slow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one here. I'm going to turn that one off. I'm going to refresh this one real quick. Don't get crazy. Here I am. Just did a refresh. By doing that, then what it does is when I put my finger up, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go, 5 seconds. Before it was past 10 and I couldn't find it. So you got to refresh the screen. But unfortunately, as time goes on, it does the same thing. We go further and further apart. I hate it. That's why I don't live trade in front of you, because if you follow me, by the time I get out, you may not get out for 5 or 10 seconds. Then you'll say, how come you won and I lost? So that's why I don't do it. Deck is instant. He's 1 second off. So he won't give us the software. And until he does, I'm not live streaming. I live stream, but I'm not going to do live trades. I'll try to give you alerts to tell you where I think things are going, like Tesla, okay? But right now, let's say Right now, we're in a kind of hold period. Tesla, every time it goes up to that line, you could probably do a put and make 20 cents, 30 cents. You can scalp, make some money. I think well, I want to see it break that support. That's what I'm waiting for. If it breaks that support, then you might want to jump on a put because it's probably going to go down. But we want to see. The markets are down. Keep your eye on FinViz, finviz.com. Right now, the Dow just went from plus 16 immediately to minus 33, and the S&Ps are up 3, probably all because of NVIDIA and Oracle. That's it. Well, there are a few others in energy. I don't think they're grasping the most of it. NVIDIA is the biggest one up today. So that's what's going on right now. We're in a negative market. So just a matter of time. Dex watching LRHC. I don't know what that is. LRHC. I'll put it in my watch list for a second and see what it does. LRHC. What happened to him? That was weird. Huh. LRHC. Did it come in here? LRHC. That's weird. LRHC. There it is. Went to here. Hold on. All right, guys, give me about 5 minutes, okay? Okay, my friend is here. So give me a few minutes to get a little established here with him. So there it went back up again. And let's see. Check out the. Okay, we already saw that. All right. Probably now is a good time to get back in for that put if you want to make a few extra dollars right there. Give me 1 second. 1 second. It should be here. All right. All right. I think I'm going to meet with my friend for a few minutes. I'll leave everything on here. Wow, it's going up a little higher. So keep an eye on Tesla. Let's see where it's going to go. I think eventually it's still going to come back down. Let's move this up a little bit more right there. And we're going to take this and move that up to about here for now. Watch when it comes back up, but I think it will. We're still headed down and the markets are headed down. So keep an eye on that, and I will be back. Let's take a 10-minute break, okay? So I can just hang with my friend. I haven't seen him for about 6 months. All right. I am here. Any questions? I will be back in 10 minutes or less. Okay, I'm just hanging out with my friend for a little longer. He's not going to be here long, and then I'll be back probably. Okay, so, uh-oh, somehow I lost you guys. Give me a second. Okay, I just said I'm still hanging out with my buddy for a little bit. I haven't seen in 6 months, so I'll be back in a few minutes, in a little bit of time. All right, but I'm here. You guys watching the NVIDIA? NVIDIA just hit a new high today, 134.51, and it's the number one stock today. It's what's leading the markets up with the SPY going up. That's why I put the trend lines in there so we could watch the distance and see where our channel is. Right now we're at the VWAP, so we want to see if we can break through. And we're breaking through the VWAP. You might see a lot more volume start to pour in for the SPY. But I'm still here. I'm in the background with a friend.